I was looking for a reason, searching through the night. Then you walked into my story, and everything felt right. Like the ocean finds the shoreline, like the sunrise finds the day. Every road I thought I'd travel somehow led me your way. You're closer than the moon above, warmer than the summer sun. If forever had a heartbeat, it would sound like us as one. When I hold your hand, I know it's true. My favorite place will always be with you. Every laugh and every silence, every little thing you do turns the ordinary moments into something bright and new. Years may come and seasons go, but one thing time can never move: the way my heart still skips a beat every time I look at you. You're closer than the moon above, brighter than a sky of blue. And if I had one wish forever, I'd spend every day with you. When the world grows old and dreams are through, I'll still be falling in love with you. You're closer than the moon above, warmer than the summer sun. If forever had a heartbeat, it would sound like us as one. When I hold your hand, I know it's true. My favorite place will always be with you. The city lights are fading slow, but in your eyes I see a glow. 1,000 roads could lead me far, yet home is wherever you are. When the world is spinning fast, you make every moment last. You and me tonight, beneath the silver sky, holding on to dreams that never say goodbye. Every beat of my heart sings your name so true. In a world of endless stars, I keep finding you. Through every season, every change, your gentle smile remains the same. like a melody I always knew. My favorite song begins with you. You and me tonight, beneath the silver sky, holding on to dreams that never say goodbye. Every beat of my heart sings your name so true. In a world of endless stars, I keep finding you. And if tomorrow fades from view, I'll still be right here loving you. You and me tonight, beneath the silver sky, holding on to dreams that never say goodbye. Every beat of my heart sings your name so true. In a world of endless stars, I keep finding you. In a world of endless stars, I keep finding